I remember hosting a July 4th cookout where my old grill's side burner flat out died halfway through reducing my signature barbecue sauce. I ended up running between the kitchen stove and the patio, burning the steaks and my pride. Finding a grill with a reliable, powerful side burner is surprisingly frustrating. Most are flimsy add-ons that can't even boil water. You need heat, consistency, and durability. Today, I am breaking down the top 7 grills with burners, from a few underwhelming options to the absolute best setup that will keep you cooking entirely outside. Let's count them down. 7. Kenmore 6-burner propane gas grill. When I first set up the Kenmore 6-burner propane gas grill in my backyard, its sheer size made quite the visual impact. Offering a massive cooking area and a stainless steel aesthetic, it certainly looks like a premium outdoor kitchen centerpiece. During my initial tests, the main cooking chamber fired up quickly, and the sheer real estate allowed me to easily host a dozen burger patties alongside a mountain of hot dogs without feeling cramped. The spacious side shelves provided ample room for prep, which initially gave me a lot of confidence in hosting large backyard gatherings. However, once I actually put the side burner to the test with a heavy cast iron pot for some baked beans, the illusion of premium quality started to fade. The side burner feels remarkably flimsy, and worse, it struggles with wind resistance. A mild afternoon breeze repeatedly blew out the flame, forcing me to babysit the pot rather than focusing on the meat inside the main chamber. When you buy a grill specifically for the side burner functionality, having to constantly reignite it completely defeats the purpose of having an all-in-one outdoor cooking station. The main grilling area also revealed some frustrating inconsistencies during longer cooking sessions. While the grates get sufficiently hot, I noticed distinct hot and cold spots across the 6 burners. When grilling chicken breasts, the pieces placed toward the front left cooked significantly slower than those in the back right, forcing me to play a constant game of musical chairs with my food. This lack of even heat distribution means you really have to learn the quirky personality of this specific grill rather than relying on uniform performance. 6. Nexgrill 4-burner. Stepping into a more budget-friendly category, the Nexgrill 4-burner initially seemed like a practical solution for casual weekend grilling. Out of the box, the assembly process was relatively straightforward, and a stainless steel finish gave it a clean, modern appearance on my patio. Firing it up for the first time, I was genuinely impressed by how quickly the main burners reached a respectable 400 degrees. For a quick weeknight meal of standard hot dogs and thin burgers, it gets the job done efficiently and without much fuss. Yet, when I attempted to use the side burner for something requiring finesse, the grill quickly showed its limitations. I tried to simmer a delicate garlic butter sauce, but the burner's temperature control was essentially non-existent. It operates strictly on 2 modes, a roaring high heat or completely off. Even on the lowest knob setting, the flame was far too aggressive, causing my sauce to break and burn within minutes. If your goal is to simply boil corn, it might suffice, but for anything requiring culinary precision, this side burner is practically useless. The cooking experience inside the main firebox also proved to be quite chaotic when cooking fattier cuts of meat. The flame tamers positioned over the burners are quite narrow, allowing a significant amount of grease to drip directly onto the flames. While testing some thick, marbled ribeyes, I was constantly fighting aggressive flare-ups that left an acrid, soot-like taste on the meat. You have to stand over this grill with a spray bottle at all times, making the cooking process stressful rather than relaxing. 5. Char-Broil Performance Series. The enclosed cabinet design immediately elevates the look while providing excellent storage for the propane tank and your grilling accessories. When I tested this model with a batch of thick-cut pork chops, the porcelain-coated cast iron grates delivered beautiful, thick sear marks. The heat retention was a noticeable step up, recovering temperature quickly even after I had the lid open for several minutes to arrange the meat. The side burner on this Char-Broil model is a pleasant surprise compared to the previous entries on this list. I set up a large skillet to saute onions and peppers for fajitas, and the burner provided a steady, controllable flame that didn't falter in a light breeze. It sits flush beneath a protective lid when not in use, giving you extra prep space, but when active, it genuinely acts as a reliable extension of your kitchen stove. The valve control is smooth, allowing for a proper simmer that won't scorch your delicate side dishes. Grease management is another area where this grill shines during real-world testing. The removable porcelain-coated grease pan captures drippings effectively and slides out effortlessly for cleaning. During a heavy weekend of grilling sticky barbecue chicken and greasy sausages, I didn't experience the terrifying flare-ups that plague cheaper models. The heat tents are wide and positioned perfectly to vaporize drippings, returning that smoky flavor back into the food rather than fueling unwanted grease fires. Daily operation is a breeze thanks to the reliable electronic ignition system that fires up the burners on the very first push every single time. While it might lack some of the ultra-premium materials found in high-end luxury grills, it feels sturdy, well-engineered, and incredibly dependable. 4. Broil King Baron 490 Pro. The first thing you notice is the sheer weight of the heavy-duty cast-iron cooking grids. You can position them at an angle to channel juices away, or use them flat for an aggressive, steakhouse-quality sear. When I threw down a pair of thick tomahawk steaks, the searing power was immediate and intense, locking in the crust in seconds while the dual-tube burners ensured the temperature remained perfectly consistent across the entire cooking surface. The side burner on the Baron 490 Pro is nothing short of exceptional. Packing a serious punch, I used it to rapidly bring a massive pot of water to a rolling boil for fresh sweet corn in a fraction of the time it takes on a standard indoor stove. The cast iron trivet over the side burner is heavy and secure, ensuring that even large, heavy pots don't wobble or slide while you stir. It offers incredibly precise temperature management, easily dialing back from a roaring boil to a gentle, bubbling simmer. What truly sets this grill apart during testing is the Flavor Wave cooking system. Instead of standard heat tents, this system covers almost the entire bottom of the firebox, instantly vaporizing drippings to create a rich, enveloping smoke. I noticed a distinct enhancement in the flavor profile of my food, tasting much closer to traditional charcoal grilling than standard gas. Furthermore, it virtually eliminates hot and cold spots, giving you true edge-to-edge cooking reliability. Adding to its impressive versatility, this model includes a premium rear rotisserie burner and spit kit right out of the box. I spun a whole seasoned chicken, and the slow, even heat from the rear burner resulted in the most incredibly crispy skin and juicy meat I have ever produced on a gas grill. 3. Monument Grills. The Monument Grill's 4-burner model brings a unique and highly functional aesthetic to outdoor cooking, primarily through its brilliant clear view glass lid. I initially thought the window might be a gimmick, but during my testing, it proved to be an absolute game changer. Being able to monitor the melting cheese on burgers or check the crust on a rack of ribs without opening the lid and losing all your ambient heat makes a massive difference in cooking times. The built-in thermometer is highly accurate, making roasting and baking on this grill incredibly precise. When it comes to the side burner, Monument takes a slightly different, yet highly effective approach. Utilizing a ceramic infrared side burner, this station gets unbelievably hot, unbelievably fast. I used it to reverse sear a sous vide steak, and the infrared heat created a flawless, edge-to-edge crust in under 60 seconds per side without overcooking the center. When you aren't searing, you can dial it back to function as a traditional burner for sauces, making it one of the most versatile side stations I have ever tested. Nighttime grilling is an absolute joy with this machine, thanks to the gorgeous LED illuminated control knobs. Beyond just looking incredibly sleek on a dark patio, they provide practical visibility so you know exactly where your heat levels are set without needing a flashlight. The stainless steel construction feels robust and heavy, resisting fingerprints while providing excellent insulation to keep the internal firebox temperature stable even on chilly evenings. The overall cooking experience is consistently delightful. The 4 stainless steel main burners push out a massive amount of heat, and the porcelain-coated cast iron grates are incredibly easy to clean with a standard grill brush. 2. Napoleon Rogue SE Gas Barbecue Grill. The iconic wave-shaped stainless steel cooking grids are the first thing that catches your eye. During my testing, these uniquely curved grates prevented smaller items like asparagus spears and shrimp from falling through into the firebox, while delivering beautiful, distinctive sear marks on chicken and steaks. The heat retention of this stainless steel is phenomenal, bouncing back immediately even when the grill is loaded to maximum capacity. The absolute star of the Napoleon Rogue SE, however, is the infrared sizzle zone side burner. This is not just a side burner. It is a dedicated, ultra-high heat searing station that reaches upwards of 1,800 degrees. I tested this by finishing off some thick-cut pork chops, and the radiant infrared energy caramelized the exterior instantly, sealing in the juices better than any cast iron skillet ever could. It handles heavy cast iron pans beautifully for deep frying or sautéing, making it the most powerful and functional side burner on the market. Inside the main firebox, Napoleon utilizes a dual-level stainless steel sear plate system. By staggering the heat temps, they have engineered a cooking space that is entirely devoid of hot or cold zones. I placed bread across the entire surface to test the heat mapping, and every single slice toasted identically. The Jetfire ignition system shoots a literal jet of flame to light each burner independently, ensuring that the grill fires up instantly and reliably regardless of weather conditions. The build quality is flawless, featuring premium, weather-resistant materials and heavy-duty casters that lock securely into place. Everything about the Napoleon Rogue SE, from the smooth glide of the cabinet doors to the precision feel of the backlit knobs, screams luxury. 1. Weber Genesis EPX 335 Smart Gas Grill. Testing this grill was a revelation in stress-free cooking. By utilizing the integrated Weber Connect Smart technology, I was able to insert the meat probes into a thick beef roast, set my desired doneness on my smartphone, and walk away to entertain my guests. The app sent me step-by-step alerts, telling me exactly when to flip the meat and precisely when to pull it off, resulting in an absolutely flawless medium-rare finish. The side burner on the Genesis is a masterpiece of reliability and power. While it doesn't use infrared technology, its pure blue flame is incredibly robust, easily shrugging off strong gusts of wind. I utilized it to caramelize a massive pan of onions for nearly an hour, and the burner held a perfect, low, steady temperature without ever sputtering or requiring relighting. It provides the exact same high-quality performance as a premium indoor gas range, allowing you to prepare intricate side dishes right next to your grilling surface. What elevates the Genesis above the rest is the massive, expandable top cooking grate and the extra-large sear zone. Weber engineered this grill so the top grate folds out, essentially doubling your usable cooking space for smoking or slow roasting. Furthermore, the Weber crafted frame allows you to remove a section of the grates and drop in custom accessories like a flat-top griddle, a roasting basket, or a pizza stone. I swapped in the griddle to make smash burgers, and the high-performance burners provided flawless, edge-to-edge heat. Ultimately, the Weber Genesis EPX 335 wins because it completely removes the guesswork from grilling without sacrificing the tactile joy of cooking over an open flame.